Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to download and sign up for Skype, a free online video calling and messaging service. With Skype, you can use your own voice or even video to call anyone else for free from anywhere in the world. Both you and the person you're calling have to be on Skype at the same time in order for the call to go through. You can also use Skype to instant message people for free. Instant messaging is similar to texting someone on the phone. Remember, just like calling, both you and the person you're instant messaging have to be on Skype at the same time in order to receive the messages in real time. Before I show you how to sign up and download Skype, I'd like to take some time to explain what you will need to be able to make video and voice calls on Skype. You can find this information on Skype's website at www.skype.com, where you'll be directed to their homepage shown here. Then, if you put your mouse over the Explore menu option, and then left-click the What is Skype option, you will find what you need to get started with Skype. Just scroll down, and the information will be under what you need to get started. First, you will need an internet connection. You can check your internet connection if you go to the toolbar on the bottom right-hand side of your computer screen by placing your mouse over the bar icon. You can see if you have a current internet connection. Next, you will need speakers and a microphone. Most computers will have built-in speakers and microphone, but the quality is usually poor, which means you might have problems hearing the people you call, or they might have a hard time hearing you. To solve these problems, I recommend buying a headset. You can purchase a headset at any electronics store such as Best Buy. Skype also has headsets for sale from their What is Skype page. By left-clicking on the blue headset link on this page, located right here, you can buy affordable headsets for any budget. If you would like to see the person you're talking to, you will need a webcam. Again, most computers have built-in webcams, but if you would like better video quality, I will recommend buying a webcam from any electronics store. Or you can go to the Skype shop page, which you're on right now. All you have to do is scroll up, put your mouse over the Shop by Category blue button, and then put your mouse over the webcams and left-click. Here you will find affordable webcams. Lastly, you will need to have a valid email address to sign up for Skype. For example, you can sign up for an email address on sites such as Yahoo by pressing the mail icon. Let's do that now. Go up to your address bar at the top left corner of your screen and left-click the bar once. Now type in www.yahoo.com and press enter. From here, you will go to the mail icon. It's located right here. Just left-click this, and you can go to the blue Create New Account button to create a new account. Now that you know what you need, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Skype. From here, you will go up to the address bar and left-click. Then you will type in Skype's web address, which is www.skype.com, and press enter. Then from the home page, you will left-click on the Join Us icon in the corner of the page, located right here. From this page, you will create your own account. First, let's enter your name. Left-click under First Name and enter your full first name. Next, left-click under Last Name and enter your full last name. After you enter your name, left-click under your email address and enter your valid email address. Next, go to Repeat Email and left-click the box and enter your email address that you just entered exactly. After you do this, the next section is the profile information. Note that anyone on Skype can see your profile information, so make sure you only fill out the things you want everyone to see. First, start with birthday. Left click and choose the day you were born. Now left click the arrow for month and enter the month you were born. Finally, the year. Next, enter your gender. If you don't want to enter your gender, just left click select. The next one is country or region. This is the region that you're in right now. Notice that there's an asterisk beside it. That means you have to fill this information out. I'm going to keep mine as United States. The next section is city. Just left click and enter the city that you're in. If you don't want to enter the city that you're in, don't worry about it, you don't have to. The next one after that is language. You can change the language by left clicking on the arrow. I'm going to keep mine as English though. The next section is you can add a phone number to your profile. Note that only your contacts that you choose can see your phone number. So not everyone on Skype will see your number. To enter your number, enter the country that you're in, and then left click beside the 1 and enter your phone number starting with your area code. The next section is how you intend to use Skype. You can left click this for personal conversation or business conversations. This is only for Skype's use. You don't have to fill a section out. So I'm just going to say personal conversations. The next area is your username. This username will be used to sign into your Skype account. So make sure you pick one that's easy to remember. So just let's click this here. As you notice, you will get suggestions. You might, if you can't think of anything, you might want to choose one of these. Just make sure you can remember it. I'm going to create my own though, so I'm going to enter my username. There are certain recommendations that you have to do for your username. So just left click the question mark and it'll tell you that your name has to be between 6 and 32 characters, start with a letter, and contain only letters and numbers. You can just click the X after you read this. The next section is the password. Enter a password that's one, easy to remember by you, but not too easy so people don't guess it and can get into your Skype account. So left click under the password and enter your password. Next, left click under repeat password and enter your password again. Make sure you enter your password exactly the same in both boxes. After you repeat your password, just click out of the box and you will get this password strength notice. Mine is medium. If you get medium or hard, that's a good password. If you get an easy password strength notice, that means that you might want to consider changing your password because it's too easy for people to guess. The next section is if you want Skype to text you on your phone or email you. I didn't fill out a mobile phone, so I don't even get to fill out if I want them to text me. If you don't want to be emailed, just uncheck the by email box. If you uncheck this box, you will not receive emails from Skype. The last part of this is the CAPTCHA box. This box is just to verify that you're human, and if you can't read what's in this box, you can press refresh. And I'll give you some new words. You can press refresh as many times as it takes for you to read this. Now, left click in this box and enter the letters as you see them. Before you press agree, you might want to read Skype Terms of Use and the Skype Privacy Statement. When you click on these, you are taken to another page. After you've read both Skype Terms of Use and the Privacy Statement, you can click on I agree. Now you will be taken to a page where you can download Skype on your computer. So press the Download Skype for Windows. You will get a box that says, do you want to run Skype Setup? Press Run. This might take a couple of moments. Now you will get a box that will make you select the language that you want to use for Skype. Again, if you don't want to use English, just press the little arrow and pick whatever language you want to use. I still want to use English. This box underneath is Run Skype when the computer starts. This will allow Skype to pop up whenever you sign in into your computer. Now just press the agree button. This next page is if you want to download Bing as a search engine and MSN as your homepage. I do not, so I'm going to uncheck these boxes and then press continue. Now Skype is downloading onto your computer. This might take a couple of minutes, so just be patient. After you download Skype, this little box will pop up. The first box, you will enter your username that you made. So if another username pops up like mine, because this is a shared computer, I'm just going to delete this and enter my username. Next, enter your password. And then press sign in. Now, you can check your sound and video to make sure you'll be able to make voice and video calls, or you can set up your profile picture. So let's continue. I'm not going to set up my speakers or video just yet, so you don't really have to if you don't want to. So I'm just going to press continue. Now you can set up your profile picture. I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to say add later. If you want to, you can add a picture and say continue. And now you're all set, and you can start using Skype. This is how your Skype will look. Thank you for viewing this tutorial, and I hope it's made downloading and signing up for Skype easy and less confusing.